How to send your Shein cart to someone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send your Shein cart to someone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you open the Shein app, you have so many products added to your cart page, and then you want to share all those products to your friends or send them to someone else. Instead of doing it one by one because it's such a hassle, how do you do it in short form? Well, on a direct note, you will not be able to share the whole cart itself, right? So you can just tap the share option here. You can see share cart. You can just tap the all option, and then you can just tap on the share option, and now you can simply share them with any of the friends by simply copying the link, sending them to WhatsApp or whatever else it is that you prefer. On the previous version we weren't able to do so, but now when you come to the cart page, you'll find the share option here, and when you tap the share option and select all products, you'll be able to share all this to someone. This way you'll be able to send your Shein cart to someone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.